Hey everybody, welcome to my channel where I work on anything that has an engine, from my truck to these mowers here, and anything else in between. Anything that has an engine. So, hope you subscribe. Let's see if it'll start up real quick. Choke it. See what it does. Show you how bad this catalytic converter is. It's still on here. Listen. Dunsky! There's my problem. Look. Look. There it is. Oh, there we go. Look. See? Shouldn't be doing that. It's Dunsky. There's my problem. Right there. Okay, guy. Everybody, this is what it sounds like when it revs up. Sounds a little bit better than a rattling. About anybody else, but it sounds good to me. And it's coming out the exhaust pipe too, so it's blowing exhaust out. Got a little bit of a rumble to it now. I actually like it. Well, let's test it out, take it out for a test drive and see what happens.